big speaker.
I've probably had it.
Forever, right? I miss mine.
I probably had it most of mine.
I have a Thermos.
Hot dogs and hamburgers in a hurricane.
I have a Thermos.
Neither rain, no snow,
It's on the floor.
nor gloom of night shall stay these people from eating something sometime.
On point.
Cannibal. Hungry.
Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Stop. Hello.
Say hello.
I am potatoes.
You are potatoes.
I am potatoes.
What a delicious snack.
No.
Everybody need to make that mashed potato. What people? Are you a delicious snack?
I'm done.
Let me get to the window.
Let's make one more. How much more stuff is in there?
Not much.
Is there enough for another one?
It's enough for maybe like 2.
Put the thing flat on the table.
Actual
Are you recording?
Yep.
Mom, I'm playing solitaire.
The water in the ditch is down.
Yep.
Yeah, that's good.
It was almost.
The rain has slowed down, but that's like the 3rd or 4th time we've seen water in that ditch the entire 6 years we've been living
That's
here.
exactly right.
Yeah, raining though.
The yard is like a swamp. That's why I parked this way so nobody could pull around me and into the yard. Things are blowing around nicely out there. See if I can zoom in on some of those trees across the road over there. Woof.
You should take pictures of the puddle out in the goat barn.
Oh,
Yeah.
you did the creek.
I don't know what's gonna be worse. My meat sweat or my meat gut.
So what a difference 24 hours can make. I'm standing here talking to myself. Actually, I'm talking to the camera. So hang on, let me get right where I was. This is about where I was last night shooting. We had hot dogs and hamburgers cooking on the end of the table there. My missus was standing over there, daughter-in-law there, short kid behind her, and it was very dark outside. There goes Rusty the Wonder Dog. Even Rusty survived the hurricane. He didn't like it, but he survived it. So, let me waddle over here to the window. That's, whoop, hang on, turn the light out. Missed. So there's the mimosa tree that was bending over. The ditch was full. Street was running. Everything was soaking wet. Those are the trees over there that were blowing around like mad. And now tonight, we've got this beautiful sunset going on. It's just crazy. But the craziness is over. Now if my internet connection will come back on, I'll be a happy camper. Just want to do a little update post the storm. It's your old buddy Steve-O. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.